Hermes knows that the customers would kill to get their hands on a Birkin bag. And that's why the company exploits its incredible market power. This is the accusation that has been made by two would-be Birkin buyers. Their complaint is very simple, that whenever they went to buy a Birkin bag, the bags were never available, thus compelling the customers to buy other Hermes products for the moment, which made them return to the store looking for their favorite bags again and again. The customer feels it's a vicious cycle. This practice of unawarely making the customers hooked to a brand is considered a violation of the US antitrust laws. So, what exactly is this Hermes game that has landed them into a new lawsuit? Let's find out. Like most luxury brands, Hermes also controls its distribution tightly. It sells its leather Birkin and Kelly bags only via stores where stock is never down. So there is no chance that an aspiring buyer could see them online. Sometimes they aren't even displayed at the stores. The Hermes game also includes serving different brand retail experiences in different cities. For example, at some places, bags are sold via waiting lists, while at other places, they are offered on a first-come, first-served basis. Clients' preferences are registered, but when customers are offered a particular Birkin bag, they don't necessarily get to choose the style or color. But if you think this treatment is served to every Birkin bag customer, then you are wrong. Because Hermes' most loyal customers not only receive exclusive treatment but also get to style their own Birkin bags not once, not twice, but an unlimited number of times a year. That's why, for an aspiring Birkin buyer, this becomes a necessity to keep buying other Hermes products until they are promoted to Hermes' most loyal customer base and they can buy their wishful bag. But before that upscaling comes, a customer has already spent enough that could topple their living. Now, this is not legal. According to the US antitrust regulations that prohibits brands abusing their market power through bundling goods or tying them to other purchases, this practice is wrong. As of now, Hermes is yet to respond to the complaint, either with a quiet settlement or a public statement. Whether the case goes down to trial or plaintiffs will be settled with money, we'll know soon. Till then, for more such videos, keep on watching NewsX.